Looking to upgrade your audio experience on a budget? The Fosi Audio SK02 DAC amp might be the perfect solution for you. This compact device packs a punch, offering pristine sound quality and ample power for your headphones. Whether you're a casual listener or a budding audiophile, the SK02 promises to elevate your music enjoyment. Let's dive deep and see if this little powerhouse lives up to the hype. First things first, the SK02 is shockingly compact. We're talking about fitting snugly in your palm territory. This makes it fantastic for desktop setups where space is a precious commodity, or even tossing in your bag for on-the-go listening. Don't let its diminutive stature fool you, though. The SK02 feels incredibly solid. Built with a sleek aluminum shell and smooth knobs, it exudes a quality that belies its price tag. The front panel is all about user-friendliness. A volume knob for precise control, a gain switch to act as a volume booster when needed, and a button to effortlessly swap between your music sources. There's also a cool LED light that gives you a visual cue on the quality of the audio you're feeding it. Flip it over and you're greeted with a generous selection of connection options: USB-C for both power and digital audio delivery, optical in and out for additional hookups, a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, and even a fancy balanced 4.4mm jack for some high-end headphones. Despite its miniature size, the SK02 boasts a surprising number of features. The DAC section is a real workhorse, capable of handling your high-resolution music files. Those lossless formats packed with extra sonic detail. We're talking about crystal clear sound at resolutions that would make even audiophiles grin. On the amplification side, the SK02 offers enough muscle to drive most headphones, including some of the more demanding high-impedance models. It's like a little audiophile muscle car for your ears, delivering clear and powerful sound. Plus, with both the standard and balanced headphone jacks, it caters to a wider range of headphones, giving you more flexibility in your listening experience. Now, some reviewers mentioned a slight increase in background noise at lower music qualities. However, in my experience, at normal listening levels, it wasn't a noticeable issue. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. How does this little guy sound? In a word, pristine. The SK02 acts as a transparent conduit, letting your headphones truly shine. Every detail, from the delicate brushstrokes of cymbals to the deep, rumbling bass lines, comes through with remarkable clarity and precision. It's important to remember that the overall sound signature will also depend on the headphones you use. So, experiment and find the perfect match for your listening preferences. The SK02 pairs beautifully with everything from studio monitors for analytical listening to those comfy noise-canceling headphones for immersive experiences. Half the fun is in the exploration and finding the combo that unlocks a world of sonic enjoyment for you. For the vast majority of headphones, the SK02 has enough power to crank things up to comfortable listening levels. Even with my high-impedance headphones, it could get plenty loud on the high-gain setting. That being said, audiophiles with super high-impedance, power-hungry headphones might find themselves craving a bit more muscle. As for the lower music quality concern raised by some reviewers, again, it wasn't a deal-breaker for me. But if you're an audiophile with a discerning ear who religiously listens to lossless files, it might be something to consider. So, is the SK02 worth your hard-earned cash? Here's the honest truth. For the price, it's an absolute steal. The combination of features, sound quality, and build quality make it a fantastic option for anyone who wants to elevate their computer audio experience or get more out of their headphones without blowing their budget. If you're a casual listener who wants a simple way to upgrade your sound, or an aspiring audio enthusiast looking for a great starter DAC and amp, the SK02 is a no-brainer. It might not be the ultimate audiophile dream machine, but for most folks, it's a fantastic little audio tank that will faithfully deliver your favorite tunes with remarkable clarity and power. On top of that, the portability factor makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to take their high-quality listening experience on the go. For more audio gear reviews and insights, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below about your thoughts on the SK02. I'd love to hear your experiences. I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as possible. If you found this review helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and for similar content, check out the links in the description below.